All right, rough guy. All right, rough guy. DTR album launch and and you know DTR nga live say la kata nong dele all the way from Radach Lodium Conference Center like I can't really it's been a while ka show blan no kartan nong da ka nyombo karabe ka bikura ka wa piana pion ba song ma ka to welcome more and the more more assist the more money mama umbelama ko piano to top song rough guy DTR album launch more money
Yo,
Tino Sophia the Pam 10 year car I pass it through
no.
rough guy DTR album launch a general assessment about the show now I'm ready to share now years and
Well, rough guy, mabimbalama because to meet up you.
okay
So, mommy, auto my program what is as I had the number.
okay
So, the Katia and Shamshi to cut the top song.
okay
The coffee let us film.
okay
So, oh, win yella to win.
okay
So, the no Carava to come not on to support you with everything that we have.
okay
So, Togo Kanama, we are here to support rough guy.
Okay, so anytime
to head to the top.
anytime got to like seeing more money and the team in a show, we know the criteria beside here in that character. Rob guy mama with engine and the like no, there is like a four lot of God is saying the limit to nice you find anything about it. So but whether Barbie you do push in a way. So but I don't to promise it like in a way of a support towards another movie and music industries as a whole.
Well, actually, mostly the pun supporter because mostly the tribe supporter can not yara.
Yeah.
So maybe some of the movie writers and then some of the
directors.
actors.
Okay.
But me too, so to support the underground.
Okay.
Even musicians to support the underground because we are doing it for love, not for people to see.
Okay.
So even currently, let me just say, get one or another 20 tickets.
Wow.
Garmizanya VIP.
Oh.
So the Coco tap song master and
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
So Uncle Yalama, the Antican Robana Tankarama. They come now to perform, but we also come to support
the show. Okay. All right. More man in passer to the film music tagline. I am on my channel. I don't know whether on Power
definitely, he has something to say.
Okay, bro. So maybe I'm gonna mention that here.
Yeah, sure. So as he said, Rough Guy is our guy, and we are very happy to be here tonight to support his album launch.
All right.
We wish him all the best, and we are still to step in to give whatever we came to give in terms of performance. And we are wishing Rough Guy, his team, and everybody in Northern music the best. We always support Big Doings represent.
All right. That is more money for you. And on film music tag like FTV, my meeting on the relation, but BTL Banga, Rima, Ulakema. Presenter member, Mammy to my pam. Okay, so me more man and bala, mammy more man is there, so mammy actually, mammy yoshi, mammy more man is there, hey, who can I go to support the show, man, mammy more money yet, so I'm meeting noise. Yeah, and be okay, so no social family. Pass it through the show. Thank you very much for your time. Okay, bro. Thank you for the support. Thank you very much. Okay, that's more money and the DTL album launch. We move.
Like it to the tomb, because I'm born to have him. Come on, how?